Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am LatayjaJ, of course. I am here new to YouTube. I am very excited to open up with you all and show you all what I have to offer. But today this video is going to be about this box that I have. I'm willing to unbox this box with you all. This is also a combination of a get ready with me, so please stay tuned for it. I am looking forward to sharing a lot of new things that I have to offer with you guys. I am just like overly excited, guys, because previously I have recorded tons of videos and I just didn't feel comfortable with broadcasting them, but today I am very excited and I am very confident in this video, guys. So please make sure you like this video, you subscribe to my channel, guys. It really will help me out a lot. This video is not only beneficial to myself, it's also beneficial to you all, because I am going to be showing you all of my techniques, all of my secrets that I use to get my glamorous looks and install my wigs. Obviously, guys, this wig looks good, right? This wig is installed by a girl named Taja. She is a NOLA hairstylist. She's pretty good. You can follow me on Instagram on my business page. My business account is LatayjaJ's Physique. You can follow me there, and I am also on Snapchat. I am also on Twitter and Instagram, and I did say Facebook, right? Yeah. So yeah, I am on all three of those social media accounts, or four. I am all on those, so you can stay updated with all kinds of information from, you know, those social media accounts. So yeah, especially my business page, guys. I have new products on the way. I am very excited to broadcast them to you all, so you know, stay notified and stay ready and updated for upcoming, you know, products that I have to offer for you guys. So yeah, just stay tuned and I hope you like this video. Thank you. This is the BoxyCharm box that I've received, guys. I have tons of these boxes. What's crazy is I save them for my channels to actually open them, but I haven't been broadcasting my videos, so it's like I've just had, you know, open boxes. But you can get this box from BoxyCharm. They have a website. This is the $25 box. They give you up to 5 products in the box, which is worth way more than $25. So, you know, yeah, this box is very good quality, guys. I've received plenty of boxes from BoxyCharm, but this box, I'm going to open this box with you all today, and hopefully I drop this video. So yeah, let me open this box. Yeah, this box is $25. $25 to $30, and they withdraw the payments out of your account monthly, and you get your boxes on time monthly. Like, I have so many boxes and have had so many boxes to where I had to actually stop my transactions from deducting out of my account because I was not dropping my videos and they were sending me boxes and I wasn't being caught up on any of the information. So yeah, now I'm here and I'll be able to actually, you know, restore my account with BoxyCharm so that I can get my boxes monthly to broadcast them with you. So this is how this box looks in the inside. And yeah, guys, the boxes that I've previously been opening, this stuff is really good product, like no joke. This stuff is amazing. Yeah, let's jump into this one. They sent me a little boxy card. On the back, I guess this is like the little payment plans that they have with the different types of boxes that they have to offer for you guys. But yeah, this first thing is called Color Switch. Okay, most definitely need this. This is what it is. This is a makeup cleanser brush. Like literally, it cleans your makeup off of the brush. You see what I'm saying? So that's what this is. Oh, I think this is for like powdered makeup though, because I use a lot of cream. So yeah, hopefully my next box will have tons of cream in there or something related to cream. This is the next thing. You can't probably see it because of the type of material the box is in. I mean, the box it is. But yeah, let's see what this is. It says glassy. Okay. Oh, it's a skin balm. Okay, it's for your skin. It cleanses your skin. So this is a glossy skin balm. which I can most definitely use, guys, because these products that I'm unboxing, I am going to be doing a video on these products to actually show you all how they work. Skincare, mostly with removing my makeup and keeping my face moisturized and cleansed after I have taken my makeup off, so stay tuned for that. But this is to actually cleanse and keep your face moisturized. That's what this is about. So I can't wait to test this out with you all and show you all the outcome result of it. Okay, so the next thing that they send me is a face cleanser. So this is to actually clean my face after I have taken off my makeup or before I go to bed at night. So yeah, it says vitamin C brightening moisturizer booster, and the flavors are watermelon and pineapple, which is great. So I hope it smells good. It says as a booster, mix 3 drops to enhance your cream and serum. Can bring applied in the morning and evening. Apply 3 drops directly to face and neck after cleansing. Okay, so this is after cleansing. Excuse me, this is not a cleanser. I just saw clean on the front, so I automatically assumed that it was to cleanse my face. But this is to hydrate your skin after cleansing your face. And I love that because you know, your face can actually dry out after you have cleansed your face with the makeup, and your face can feel like really ashy and dry if you have dry skin, or even if you have moisturized skin. That can occur either way, but to keep your face hydrated, I think this would do the job. But make sure you read the directions, guys, because I'm not sure if some of you all have sensitive skin, or you can use some of these products and some products you can't use. So please be cautious to that. But you can never go wrong with BoxyCharm. They send you tons of good product. This says Hourglass Brow Sculpting Pencil. Okay, this is a sculpting pencil. This is for your eyebrows. So guys, I usually use a dark brown eyebrow pencil for my eyebrows because I love my eyebrows to be dark. But if I'm going for a natural look, soft look, I can possibly go with this one. So I can't wait to test this out because some eyebrow pencils is not as good. I usually use a dip brow. I do not use pencils. I use dip brow because I love my eyebrows on there. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love them on there. So I can't wait to test this out. Okay, this is my favorite part, guys. This is a makeup palette. I am so excited, guys, because this is a quick get ready with me. I didn't do any eyeshadow in this video. I just did, you know, a quick get ready with me eyeliner, quick and go time. Okay. These are the colors that they have on the back. Yeah, can you see it? Okay, yeah, these are the colors that they have on the bag. I can't wait to be doing looks with you all, guys. I am so excited to try new things, to broadcast new things to you. But yeah, I just can't wait to get into the different looks that I want to show you all. Okay, this is how it looks. Oh my god, it's so pretty. But can you see? Because, all right, there it is. They have shimmers in here, which is my favorite. Yes, okay, look at these swatches, guys. That was this one, and then this is this one. So this is enough right here. Let's see how the pink looks, because pink is not as pigmented as it should be in general, but this one is soft, and this is how it looks. Test this out, and it has a little mirror, which is great because when I'm doing my eyeshadow, I need something close up on my face to where I know when I'm cutting my creases and where I'm putting things. So yeah, I just can't wait to be doing all of these outstanding looks for you all, because I am still learning, and I am willing to learn and help you all achieve these looks. So yeah, this is very exciting for BoxyCharm to send me these items. All of those products, like, is amazing for me, because once you go on BoxyCharm website, they will ask you questions about yourself. They will ask you, do you use these products? What's best for you? Skincare, anything concerning makeup in general, they will ask you so that they can have an idea of what they're going to send you monthly. So when you do get your box, you will not be disappointed. It will all be things that you already use, or that you can use, or that you know, you don't use or you're willing to use. So yeah, just fill out the survey if you're interested and get your box every month, and you will get quality, like good quality makeup that you will not buy in the store. Well, at least I know I wouldn't buy because I'm cheap and this stuff comes in handy in general, guys. So if you love makeup, I advise you all to go to BoxyCharm and get your box monthly, because you couldn't go wrong, and I just feel as if there isn't any better offer. Yeah, I am so excited about the items that I've received from BoxyCharm. I can't wait to test them out with you all and tell you all how they work, so maybe you all want to get a glimpse of, you know, how these products actually work or whatever. You can go based upon, you know, my reviews. And make sure you follow the business page, because the business page will guide you all to new products and new upcoming products that I have in store for you all. So yeah, thanks for watching. thank you all for watching my video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I know it was really long. Please comment below. Please like this video. Please subscribe to my whole channel, guys. I promise you all, I am here to be consistent, and I am here to get you all to achieve these looks that I have successfully. Any questions, any comments, or concerns, please make sure you list them below, because I am willing to take advice. I am willing to, you know, get hints on things that I should do. So please list them, guys. If you watch this video all the way through, I really appreciate it. And I know my nails is horrible. I could have applied some press-ons, but I just didn't feel like bothering it today. So thank you all so very much, and I will be coming back doing plenty of videos for you all, and I love you all, and just stay tuned. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, business page, Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook. Those are the 4 medias that I have. Thanks so much, and I love you all, and I will be back doing another video. Thank you.